Hi friends, good morning. Today it is 31/5/2025 and the time is roughly around 10:30 and the entire May month was nothing happened, complete consolidation and on the higher side Nifty and Bank Nifty facing a lot of resistance, double top formation, lot of small candles. So something is big is going to happen in the month of June. Let's go and see all that. So now let's talk about weekly and Nifty is at the clear cut resistance and it is not able to cross the red line. So it is rejecting at the weekly resistance and the cloud is little okay here, but the future is looking bearish when it comes to weekly. And when you go to Bank Nifty, absolutely nothing to worry. It is doing extremely well, but this particular eye, which I told much before that, this is the pitchfork resistance on the monthly side. But last time it came and touched the blue here with the Ichimoku cloud and it's moving up, and even this is also moving up, and Ichimoku is at the consolidation pace. So now this eye is very crucial for the market, and obviously the 12th May mother candle is going to be the decider candle for the month. Now something really interesting is happening in PSU Bank. So now this is PSU Bank, and if you take this is clearly breaking the Ichimoku when it is at the least resistance, and tomorrow, that means the next week is going to be very crucial for the week. It may even blast from here, or if it close below here, it is going to be a real tough even for the PSU Bank, because the future cloud is big and it is bearish. So coming week is very crucial for the PSU Bank. And if you see the time cycle, see, this was the high and this was the high. So now I just marked already the high and low. See, if you see here, I marked in blue color line this eye and this eye, and if you see, this is roughly around 26 candle. Okay, so now from here, the down, the bottom exactly happened on the 13th candle. So this is 26 and this is 13, which is, this is a off cycle, this is full cycle. So now if you combine this both, you are getting the major combination time cycle in the coming week, with the combination of Ichimoku time cycle also, which is 26, and it is at the Ichimoku breakout pattern. So now it has to close above this, and if it close below this, even PSU Bank will definitely have a problem. And last 3 weeks we are telling that Bank Nifty is having a lot of combination, but if you go and check this week combination, this is perfectly saying that PSU Bank is having the highest combination for the week, and tomorrow it is going to be an index day. Tomorrow it is going to be an index day. This is for tomorrow and this is for weekly. Now in this bank, metals, then mid cap, then all these are coming, especially PSU Bank, In that PSU Bank, most of the PSU Bank, it closed at near the all-time high, and this one is in our radar for the coming week. So kindly watch this guy, and I think public sector bank will overtake the private sector bank, because even it was lagging for a very long time. So if you can focus, you need to focus Indian Bank, SBI, Can Bank, and other bank. But chota mota banks are doing extremely well. Union Bank of India, Syndicate Bank, all are doing extremely well. So this is our weekly combination, which is combining with the time cycle of PSU Bank. So watch out for this. Okay, now let's get into the pitchfork format. Your EMA, SMA, and all that. So as of now, it is holding 20 SMA. So absolutely there is nothing to worry. And when it comes to pitchfork, this is what we said. If it closed above that, the possible is here. But if it closed below this green color line, then you need to be really careful for the market, because we already told in the last 1 week, last 1 month we are telling that Nifty at the major resistance 25,108 must close above it to continue the uptrend momentum on a weekly closing basis. If not, a big retracement towards 23,500 on the cards, and still it is struggling to close above 21,108. This we are telling for the last 1 month, and that is what it is also showing. It is a clear cut consolidation is happening. So even if you take this pattern, so close below this pattern, I think the problem is here. Okay, so now as of now there is nothing to worry, but again this 12th May candle is going to be the dictator of the month. Any close below the 12th May candle, you need to be very cautious, but based on the seasonality, it says June month is bullish. June month is bullish. Now when it comes to Ichimoku, absolutely there is no problem. Lagging span out of free to fly, and W formation here. So now this is what we need to watch out for. Close below this W pattern will be a problem, and it may even come down around this level. So that is what the POB also saying. Based on the higher positional bet, you need to buy only above here. This is the maximum resistance on the upper side, and this is the maximum support on the lower side, and the targets I have already given here based on the purity of breakout. Okay, so now let's come to Fibonacci and the parallel channel. So as of now, absolutely there is nothing to worry. So till it holds 0.618 or even 0.5, and it is a breakout pattern based on the parallel channel. But again, lot of consolidation is happening, so you need to be very cautious, based on this pattern. Okay, so now let's go to Bank Nifty. So now again, EMA SMA doing extremely well, nothing to worry about it. And again, pitchfork till it is holding this green color line, the possible is here, which is roughly around 7,900 level. Okay, now when it comes to purity of breakout, that is where it is getting rejected again and again. It is not able to close above the decider. So every time when it closes above here, it is getting rejected. And again, this candle is a red candle, so this is where the pitchfork resistance happens. So unless and until it is not closing above this level, you need to be very cautious, and we have already given you the targets. If it closes above, where is the target, which we already given you much before. So as of now, it is struggling in that purity of breakout level. So now when it comes to Fibonacci also, we clearly said that this is the resistance area because of the pitchfork. Move above that, the first target is here, the second target is here, and the third target, okay, I think I missed it. Anyway, not a problem. So now this is the second target, this is the first target, second target, and third target. Okay, so based on this is based on the Fibonacci level. So now let's go to lower time frame. Now as of now, in 1 hour, absolutely there is no problem. So even when it comes and touches here, you can take an entry, and if you go to the previous past, this was the sell level. After that, there was a big gap down opened, and again it gave a buy around 23,437, and you don't see any red color candle as of now. Whenever it comes and touches the blue in 1 hour, it is taking the support. So if you are a 1 hour time player, you don't need to worry about Nifty. And when it comes to Bank Nifty also, absolutely there is no problem, and this is the fake sell which happened in 1 hour. So how to trade this? Very simple. This is the fake G cell. Simply mark the candle high and candle low. Once any candle closes above the blue color line, take the entry on the retracement. Stop loss this candle low. So it is roughly around even 1000 points, but for 1000 points till now it has given roughly around, again here if you see, again this is the fake sell. This is a very small candle. This is the high and this is the low. This is where the bottom will happen when it comes to fake sell. So we call this as a fake sell. From there again, the market moved up. So now as of now, absolutely there is no worry again. It is a perfect sangamam which is happening. So in case if it touches here, again a big move will come based on 1 hour time frame. So as of now, in 1 hour time frame, absolutely there is no problem. Right from 50,432 to 55,775, roughly around 5,300 points in hourly. Okay. Now let's get to the important dates for the month of June. So now if you go here, these are all the important dates for the month of June. And the reference candle is the 12th May candle for the month of June. I have already given you the high, I have already given you the high and low of Bank Nifty and Nifty. These are all the dates for the month of trend change dates for the month of June. Okay, so now tomorrow I will give you the monthly game changer number, a bullish number and the bearish number, which you can use it for the entire month. Okay, so now again this is the monthly range for June, high range, low range, and again if you come here, it is this is the weekly range, which is roughly around 1,000 points. So this is the weekly range for all the index. This is the monthly range for all the index, and this is the crucial rate for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Reliance and telecom companies. And I've already told you the PSU combination, and June expiry we already told that it has to close above this number on a daily closing basis. Bank Nifty closed above, but Nifty closed below. So we need to be very, very cautious on Nifty on the lower side, and this is the timing candle for Monday. So now let's go and talk about the numbers. So when it comes to Nifty, all the numbers are bearish. So unless and until 2 number comes to bullish, maybe this 2 number or this 2 number, any 2 number must come to blue. It means it has to close above this high number. Okay, so then only it is bullish, and I have already given the spot target on the lower and higher side. And if you go to Bank Nifty, everything is positive. So this is going to be a dilly-dally kind of a situation, because one index is bearish, one index is bullish. So in case if the market has to go up, then Bank Nifty will lead the show. If the market has to go down, then Nifty will lead the show. And the entire thing is based on the PSU bank. Okay. That's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. There are roughly around 22 companies is there in focus for the month of June. In that we shortlisted 5-6 companies to trade, and let's see, Hindustan Copper was the last week pick, which was done extremely well. And yesterday we shorted BEL, we shorted Chambal Fertilizer, all came down. So we are holding short in Nifty, short in Chambal, long in Indian Bank and long in Bank Nifty. So let's see how the market is going to plan out. But anyway, this month at least we are going to expect some kind of move, because a lot of contraction happened in the entire month of May. Let's see whether that the range is going to break out on the upper side or on the lower side. As of now, based on the 1 hour fortune signals, absolutely there is no worry. If it comes to red, then please don't hold any position on the positional side. Okay, that's all, nothing more to add in this video. So see you tomorrow. In Monday, most probably I'm not there. So in case of any update, I will try to update in the market hours. So until then, see you soon. Bye.